Muscle maturity is a physiological phenomenon that transcends simple hypertrophy or weight gain. It represents the transition from the elastic, peaked muscularity characteristic of early adulthood to the dense, architecturally adapted physical presence of the third, fourth, and subsequent decades. At stable body weight and low body fat, a distinct widening of the frame becomes apparent, and this is not a consequence of poor discipline, but rather a fundamental shift in skeletal and connective tissue architecture, supported by robust research evidence. The structural component is measurable and continuous. Sources demonstrate that the pelvic girdle continues to widen throughout adult life. Imaging observations have shown measurable increases in hip width, the distance between femoral heads, and vertebral width across all age groups. It is suggested that this remodeling occurs gradually, approximately 0.37 millimeters per year at the iliac wings. Over a single decade, this compounds into visually perceptible change. Decades of consistent mechanical loading trigger parallel adaptations in connective tissue. Tendons respond to habitual loading through increased collagen synthesis and cross-sectional area expansion, particularly pronounced with sustained training stimulus. The obliques and transverse abdominis, the deep core musculature, thicken structurally to stabilize the spine and support the mechanical demands of an athletic lifestyle. This creates the characteristic rectangular, robust silhouette rather than the exaggerated V-taper of younger physiques. However, the widening also reflects fat redistribution. At different ages, visceral fat accumulation occurs and skeletal muscle mass gradually decreases, even in weight-stable individuals. In trained athletes maintaining low body fat, this redistribution remains modest and occurs alongside genuine structural remodeling. The functional outcome: the nervous system becomes progressively more efficient. Motor unit recruitment improves. Muscle fibers are activated with greater efficiency through enhanced neural drive. This armoring of the torso represents a protective adaptation, evidence of a resilient, durable body shaped by years of training, potentially trading the temporary peaks of youth for more lasting structural stability. So, what appears as widening may be the body's response to years of training stimulus in both men and women. Based on individual suitability and health status. Subscribe for more nuanced segments. Go deeper with holistic high-performance health.